Hello everybody, this is Terry Jeanette with Be Creative, and today is another Doll a Week, University Edition. Wonder what college it is. So unless you're really into football or you live close to this university, a lot of you probably have never heard of it before. But it is a very well-known university that I went to, my husband went to, and our daughter went to. In fact, my husband and I kind of sort of met there. So what university is it? Brigham Young University. Go BYU Cougars. So Brigham Young University is located in Provo, Utah, and it is a gorgeous area. Here's a few pictures. This one is right before a football game was to start. This is the dorm where my daughter lived. And here are some other pictures around Provo. Isn't it beautiful? And yes, that is a Y on the side of a mountain. It's pretty common out there to see letters on the sides of mountains. I'd never seen that before, but maybe it's because I hadn't been around mountains too much. And yes, you can climb up there. I did it. As a Florida girl, I was not raised around mountains. Now, that being said, my mom and dad are both born and raised in Colorado, so we would go visit our extended family in Colorado every year. So I am familiar with mountains, but I've never really lived there until I went out to BYU, and I was just amazed at the beauty of the mountains. So it's very interesting how I came upon her. It wasn't in Utah or anywhere out west. I was actually doing some shopping. I believe I was visiting my family in Florida, and I do know that I was at a KB Toys, and they were fixing to close. So they had a lot of their stuff marked down. Notice right here, she was 18. Let's see, how much is that? $19.99. And she was marked down to $5.99. But what happened was I was just kind of scanning through the toy aisle, and I saw her. She was the only BYU doll, and I couldn't believe it. And I grabbed her really quick, and then I know she was only $5.99. I was like, huh, sold. Now, at the time, I had children at home still. I'm not for sure if my daughter, I'm trying to remember when this was. I don't think my daughter was into playing with dolls at the time. I think she was a little old for that. But, you know, I was an adult. I bought it for me. She's been in the box ever since, sitting up on a shelf. But isn't that cool? I've got a little cheerleader from my alma mater. Just giving you a little look there. And it says special edition on it. Bend and movable body. Here's the back of it if you want to read it. But this is the doll of the week this week. Let me know, do you have a university doll? Do you have one like this? Maybe not necessarily BYU, maybe another college. But let me know down in the comments below if you do. And also let me know what university you went to. Thanks for joining me, and y'all have a great day. This is Terry Jeanette with Be Creative, signing out for now. Bye-bye.